Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play in new feature that is 3 versus 3 mode. So first, you have to do is click multiplayer mode, multiplayer banner at the right of your screen. So click at the bottom of your screen, game mode. This is game mode selection. So you have to try the new feature. This is the feature mode selection. There are 3 in here. So what we are going to try is 3 versus 3 gunfight. Confirm, and let's get started. So welcome in 3 on 3 versus. In this mode you have to reach 6 points to win. The first team that winning 6 points is the team that win this mode. So I win the first round of this mode. The weapon itself is a default that the game select. You can choose your own loadout in this mode. So the loadout is default by the game, chosen by the game. The first team that wins 6 points, it's winning or victory this mode of the game. So that's all for me. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.